Welcome to Boquia, Colombia. Today we're exploring the stunning Santa Rita
I think that's
Waterfall.
less than a mile, eh?
Yeah.
No, boy.
How you do this? How you do this?
We're going to embark on a short but exhilarating hike to reach the Santa Rita Waterfall. The trail is surrounded by dense foliage, creating a sense of adventure.
Bunch of hikers in there. We're going on crazy people. Before I hit me up, I want to have a poker. Why? Because I'm on vacation.
Charles, you want to pet it?
As we make our way through the trail, we're greeted by a symphony of nature.
Nobody crossing on this shit with me.
Along the way, we encounter charming wooden bridges that add to the rustic charm of the journey.
Let's one at a time.
And there it is, the magnificent Santa Rita Waterfall.
Yeah.
Its cascading waters create a mesmerizing sight that worth every step of the hike.